Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we will be learning the shortcut method to find whether the two given fractions are equal or not. This is the method which you can use when you are giving some competitive exam and there is multiple choice question. So it is a very easy method. Here you just have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, so first I'll take 8 and 3. So first you will do 3 into 8 and the next it will be 6 into 4. 3 into 8, 24. 6 into 4, 24. Is it the same number? Yes. That means it is equal. That means 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent fractions. So same rule you will be applying here for the next question, which is 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into 5 and 1 into 7. 3 5s are 15 and 1 7s are 7. Are they equal? No. That means these two given fractions are also not equal. Let's take the third question where you have two fractions as 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6. Now first take the first pair of numbers 2 into 6 and 4 into 3. 2 6 are 12 and 4 into 3 is 12. Are they equal? Yes. That means these two fractions are also equal. Now the last sum I'll take is 1 into 7 and 4 and 5. 4 into 5. 1 7s are 7, 4 5s are 20. Are they equal? No. That means 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 7 are not an equivalent fraction. So this is how you find whether the two given fractions are equivalent or no with the shortcut method. Hope you have understood. See you in the next video. Take care. Tata. Bye-bye.